Traditional weekly Google Ads monitoring is a time-consuming business. You can spend hours viewing or downloading data, calculating comparisons, and trying to spot trends, only to realize you might have missed important insights. But what if you could automate all of this and get instant performance insights in under 2 minutes? Introducing Weekly Ads Monitor, the ultimate Google Ads performance monitoring tool. Weekly Ads Monitor is a Google Ads script that connects directly to your Google Ads account, pulls all your performance data, automatically calculates year-over-year and week-over-week comparisons, creates a monitoring dashboard in a Google Sheet, all in under 2 minutes. Now let me show you how this tool works in practice. This script tracks several key metrics on a weekly basis: clicks, average CPC, cost, conversions, cost per conversion, conversion value, and conversion value by cost. It has several filters for better insights and visibility. Let's go through them one by one. The campaign type filter shows all campaigns by default, but you can also select individual campaign types. For example, Performance Max, Search, Shopping, Display, and so on. This helps you focus on specific campaign types when monitoring performance. Another filter is the brand campaign exclusion. By default, it shows data including brand campaigns, but you can exclude them to get a clearer picture of your non-brand performance. Notice how the data changes when we exclude brand campaigns. It gives you a completely different perspective on your performance. Now, looking at both year-over-year and week-over-week data simultaneously can be overwhelming. That's why I created toggle controls to hide or show specific columns. Let's start by hiding the year-over-year columns and focusing on week-over-week data. This number shows you the difference in the metric between this week and the previous week. For example, 88% means this metric has decreased comparing to the last week. When there's a negative impact, you see red coloring. When there is a positive impact, we see green coloring. Like in this case, we have 149%, which means 49% more clicks than the previous week, which is clearly highlighted in green. Now let's switch to year-over-year comparison. We can unhide the year-over-year columns and hide the week-over-week data instead. Here we see trends comparing this week to the same period last year. You can mix and match filters. For example, show year-over-year trends for all campaigns, excluding brand campaigns. Notice how the numbers change based on your filter selections. The setup is simple. Paste the script code into a new script in your individual Google Ads account, add your brand campaign names, run the script once, let it create a new Google Sheet, copy the URL to the script. Schedule to run the script weekly, and get instant performance monitoring. No coding required, just configure once. Here's what it means for you. For Google Ads managers, monitor client performance in minutes, not hours. Spot issues before they become problems. For marketing agencies, standardize monitoring across all clients. Focus on optimization, not data collection. For solo consultants, monitor performance efficiently. Spend more time on strategy and optimization. For business owners, track your ad performance trends easily. Make informed decisions based on clear data. Cost is arguably the best part. It's zero. You get the script and all future updates in exchange for your email. When the new update becomes available, I will email you. To get the script, check the link below or in the description. Weekly Ads Monitor, because your time is too valuable to waste on manual monitoring.